Hi everyone. Welcome to the fifth challenge of the Law of Attraction, Divine Guidance Experiment. Your connection to the field provides accurate and unlimited guidance.
We all have an inner guide that can provide us with guidance and help in our lives. This experiment will help you connect with your inner guide and get an answer to a troubling question. Our inner guide is connected to an infinite energy field, capable of accessing unlimited information and wisdom. We can connect to our inner guide through meditation.
Experiment principle. Energy field.
According to the book, Dear Ed, each of us is connected to an infinite energy field. This energy field contains unlimited information and wisdom. Our inner guide is one way we connect to this energy field.
Inner guide.
Our inner guide is our higher self, which knows the truth and purpose of our life. It can help us solve problems, make decisions, and live a happier life.
Ways to connect with the inner guide.
There are many ways to connect with our inner guide, including meditation, intuition, writing, contact with nature, prayer.
How to get answers from the inner guide.
To get answers from the inner guide, we first need to clarify our question. Then, we can connect with our inner guide through meditation or other methods. Present your question to your inner guide and specifically ask it to give you an answer.
Experiment steps.
1. Determine a troubling question that must be a yes or no question. 2. Set a time limit, asking your inner guide to give you an answer within 48 hours. 3. Close your eyes, relax, and meditate. 4. Present your question to your inner guide and specifically ask for an answer within 48 hours. 5. For the next 48 hours, keep an open mind and pay attention to any signs and information around you. 6. Within 48 hours, you should receive an answer from your inner guide.
Keep an open mind.
When seeking guidance from the inner guide, it is important to keep an open mind. Do not have any expectations about the answer and trust that your inner guide will give you the.
Are you ready to unlock the wisdom within? Let's embark on this experiment together and see what guidance your inner guide brings you. Leave a comment below stating your intention to connect with your inner guide. For the next 48 hours, be open to any thoughts, feelings, or synchronicities that may arise. These could be your inner guide's way of communicating with you. Here are some additional tips.
When meditating, you can imagine your inner guide as a person, a voice, or any other form that you feel comfortable with. If you have difficulty meditating, try writing down your question or talking to a friend. Do not have any expectations of your inner guide. Keep an open mind. Trust your inner guide. It will give you the best answer. Our inner guide is a powerful tool that can help us solve problems, make decisions, and live a happier life. Through this experiment, you have learned how to connect with your inner guide and get its guidance. Now, start using your inner guide to create the life of your dreams.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Law of Attraction challenges. Your support is much appreciated. There is also a Google Doc for you to take notes and record your experiment. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.